Welcome to our video on 10 side hustles that you may not have heard of for 2023. These are opportunities that can earn you $1,000 or more per day, but are often overlooked by many people. So if you're looking for ways to make some extra cash, be sure to stick around and check out our list of unique side hustle ideas. Before watching this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it. Let's get started. Number 1. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and skills with others. With more students turning to online learning, there is a growing demand for online tutors. You can earn up to $1,000 plus per day by providing individual or group tutoring sessions in your area of expertise. Whether it's math, science, language, or any other subject, you can use platforms like Zoom or Skype to offer your services and get paid for it. The best part is, you can do this from the comfort of your home. And you don't need any physical materials to get started. You can even set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible and profitable side hustle. To be successful as an online tutor, you'll need to be organized, reliable, and responsive to your students' needs. You should also be willing to adapt your teaching method to suit each student's learning style. You can also use online tools such as virtual whiteboards and screen sharing to make the tutoring sessions more interactive and engaging. In summary, online tutoring is a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and skills with others. It's a flexible and convenient way to work, and it can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. You can find jobs using online tutoring platforms, or by promoting your services on social media or online classifieds. Number 2. Virtual event planning. With more companies and organizations moving to virtual events, there is a growing demand for professionals who can plan and execute these events seamlessly. As a virtual event planner, you can expect to earn up to $1,000 plus per day. You can plan everything from webinars, online conferences, and virtual networking events. To be successful in this field, you need to have skills in event planning, project management, and marketing. You will be responsible for coordinating all aspects of the event, including logistics, scheduling, and technical requirements. It's important to have a good understanding of virtual event platforms, such as Zoom, GoToWebinar, and Livestream to ensure the event runs smoothly. Number 3. Social media consulting. Small businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly looking for ways to improve their social media presence. As a social media consultant, you can help them with strategy development, content creation, and analytics. You can earn up to $1,000 plus per day by offering your services and help businesses increase their online visibility and engagement. To be successful in this field, you should have a good understanding of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You should also have knowledge of digital marketing, SEO, and analytics to be able to provide valuable insights and recommendations to your clients. Number 4. Online course creation. With the growing popularity of online learning, there is a high demand for online courses. If you have a skill or expertise that others are interested in learning, you can create an online course and earn up to $1,000 plus per day. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare make it easy to host your course and reach a wide audience. You can also promote your course on your own website or social media channels. To be successful in this field, you should have good teaching and presentation skills, as well as the ability to create engaging and informative course materials. Consider creating a detailed curriculum, recording high-quality video lectures, and including quizzes and assignments to enhance the learning experience for your students. Number 5. Dropshipping. Outsourcing is a plan of action where you sell items without holding any stock. By partnering with a supplier and using platforms like Shopify, you can start your own e-commerce store and earn up to $1,000 plus per day. The best part about dropshipping is that it requires little upfront investment, and you can run the business from anywhere with an internet connection. To be successful in this field, you should have a good understanding of e-commerce, marketing, and customer service. Additionally, it's essential to research and select the right products to sell, and to find a reputable supplier that can provide you with high-quality products at a competitive price. Number 6. Virtual bookkeeping. As a virtual bookkeeper, you can help small businesses and entrepreneurs keep track of their finances remotely, earning up to $1,000 plus per day. You can work with clients remotely using online tools such as QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave. You need to be familiar with bookkeeping software and have a solid grasp of accounting principles in order to succeed in this industry. Additionally, you should be organized, detail-oriented, and able to communicate effectively with clients to ensure their financial records are accurate and up to date. Number 7. Graphic design. If you have a talent for design, you can offer your services as a graphic designer and create logos, brochures, and other marketing materials for businesses, earning up to $1,000 plus per day. You can work with clients remotely using design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. To be successful in this field, you should have a good understanding of design principles, typography, and color theory, as well as the ability to create visually appealing designs. Additionally, it's essential to have strong communication skills to understand the client's needs and deliver designs that meet their expectations. Additionally, to be successful in the field of graphic design, it is important to stay up to date with the latest design trends and technologies. This can be done by regularly reading design blogs, participating in online design communities, and attending design conferences and workshops. Networking is also an important aspect to building a successful career as a graphic designer. Building relationships with other designers, businesses, and clients can help you gain new clients and projects and provide valuable resources and support. To start a career in graphic design, it is recommended to gain a formal education in the field by obtaining a degree in graphic design, visual communication, or a related field. Many colleges and universities offer programs in graphic design, and online courses and certifications are also available. Number 8. App development. If you have experience in app development, you can create apps for businesses or individuals and earn up to $1,000 plus per day. With the growing popularity of smartphones and the increasing need for mobile apps, the demand for app developers is higher than ever. You can work on a freelance basis or start your own app development company. To be successful in this field, you should have experience in programming languages such as Java, Swift, or C# and a good understanding of mobile app development. Number 9. Podcast production. Podcasts are becoming increasingly popular, and many people are looking for help with producing and editing their shows. You can offer your services as a podcast producer and earn up to $1,000 plus per day. Podcast production includes tasks such as recording, editing, mixing, and mastering audio. You can work with individual podcasters or with podcast production companies. To be successful in this field, you should have a good understanding of audio engineering and editing software such as Adobe Audition, Pro Tools, or Logic Pro. Additionally, you should have a good ear for audio and be able to improve the quality of audio recordings. You should also have good communication skills to work closely with the host or hosts of the podcast and be able to understand their vision for the show and help them achieve it. As a podcast producer, you will be responsible for improving the quality of audio recordings, which can include removing background noise, adjusting levels, and more. Good communication skills are also essential when working with the host or hosts of a podcast. This requires being able to listen to their ideas and provide guidance and feedback to make the final product as polished as possible. Working as a podcast producer can be a rewarding and lucrative career. You can work with individual podcasters or with podcast production companies. Number 10. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and other advertising options, earning up to $1,000 plus per day. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world and build a following. You can blog about any topic that you are passionate about, such as travel, food, fashion, or personal development. To be successful in this field, you should have good writing skills, be able to create engaging content, and be able to promote your blog through social media and other channels. One of the key elements of successful blogging is creating high-quality, engaging content that people want to read. This can take the form of written articles, videos, podcast, or any other format that you are comfortable with. It's important to find your niche and focus on a specific topic or theme that you are passionate about. This will help you attract a dedicated audience that is interested in what you have to say. And that concludes our list of 10 side hustles that people don't talk about for 2023. We hope this video has provided you with some unique and profitable ideas for earning extra money. Remember, these are just a few examples of the many opportunities available. So be sure to do your own research and find something that aligns with your interests and skills. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or turn your side hustle into a full-time business, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And hit the notification bell to never miss a new video.